Each process has a detection signal. Only when the signal is qualified can it agree to let the robot grab it to the next process. This is the world's most intelligent digital engine factory. The automation rate of our digital rumor processing line has reached 100%, and the automation rate of the equipment line has reached 80%. In other words, it is difficult to see manual work on our production line. What impact does such a high automation rate and advanced equipment have on the production of our engines? First of all, it is the improvement of production efficiency. The high automation rate has brought our production efficiency to a new level and saved manpower. Now the full automation rate of the logistics distribution system of parts has reached 100%. Look at the AJV car running on the road now. This is our .0.28s online detection system. In our digital industrial park, all key processes have achieved 100% online detection, which ensures the high-quality production of our products.